Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. And firstly I recommend to check is your phone have the latest software version. Go to the settings. If you have iPhone, you need to scroll down and click at the general settings. Right here, the second line, we have software update, tap at that line. If you have Android, you need to also open settings and go to the system. But some Android phones have similar path to this settings like on iOS. After you check it, update if you haven't the latest software version. And if it didn't help you, we should perform the software reset. To perform the software reset, place your earphones to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone. Then open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically. But I recommend it to check it, because sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that the device don't want to reconnect to your phone automatically. Open control panel and in the Bluetooth check if you have connection. If you haven't, go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth and tap at your earbuds as the device list. Now, if the software reset didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, place your earbuds also to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. If you close it, just open the lid, and on the front side we have touch area under the LED light. You need to double press this touch area 3 times until you will see the red LED light. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we have the red LED light. After that, we should reconnect them with the phone. So, or iPhone show to you pop-up, and at the bottom you'll find the button Connect. You tap at this button and you reconnect them. Or you go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and or you tap at your earbuds at the device list and it will open for you the menu with Forget Device button. You tap at this button and you remove them, or you click at the information icon, Forget this device, and Forget Device. After that, or the iPhone open for you pop-up with Connect button, or go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and you will see your headphones at the device list. You need to wait a bit, and finally I have this pop-up. So you can or click Connect or tap at your earbuds at the device list. Oh, and sometimes it asks you to double press. Sometimes it do not ask you for double press, but if it asks you, you need to double press at the touch area on the front side, so you should see the white LED light. Can I? Okay, if you cannot do this, just close the case, open the case, and now double press. Yes? Yeah, finally. Okay, so we have connection, we reconnect them, and that's it. Yes? Did we reconnect them? Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!